guys, for today's video, I thought I really need to clean this shit up because in my last few videos you must have noticed that my cupboard is really messed up and I really needed to clean it, hence I'm making a video smart. So let's go and approach this mess. Honestly, not sure how to go about this. It looks okay from the top. Yeah, this is where I put all my bottoms and my jackets. I know a lot of people actually hang their t-shirts and fold their bottoms, but I don't know, bachpan se we were, my mom just told me to fold my tops and this is what happened. नीचे बैठ के कर दूँ मैं actually. I'm gonna take all of them out and fold them. I actually don't like throwing anything that I buy. शायद किसी दिन काम आए. But I have this weird attachment to things, and this makes me sound very materialistic, but it's not. Okay, before all of you people judge me, I always remember the memory attached with it. Like if I wore it on a special day or if something special happened. So in my tops ka drawer, I keep all kinds of tops, from kurtas, crop tops, full sleeves, t-shirts, shirts, everything. I'm making different piles, one for kurtas, one for shirts and light jackets, one for t-shirts, one for crop tops, and one for just normal tops. Why is this here? This is a skirt. Okay, comment below if you've seen me wearing this. Oh, this cape is very special for me because I wore it for my YouTube FanFest meet and greet and I wanted to have like 3 different outfits in one day. I really hope I'm not flashing people with my bra. It's okay. मैं ही edit करूँ, मैं ही निकाल लूँगी. In all my tops, I have a bunch of basic black and white and solid colored crop tops, spaghettis, and I've had them for like 2, 3, 4 years. If you don't know what you should have in your cupboard, you should definitely have a basic black, white and any solid color spaghetti pants. क्या है ये मैं pants पता पिछले 1 महीने से ढूंढ रही थी. Sometimes you just completely forget that you even have something and then you feel like koi kapde nahi hai, I need to go shopping, but there are so many ways you can wear the same thing over and over again and then make it look different every time. Okay, this is when you know your cupboard is extremely messed up because I have a friggin' petticoat in my tops drawer. Okay, I'm done. And basics are right here. All the other colorful crop tops are here. T-shirts are here. Shirts are here. Kurtas and shrugs are here. This one. I repeat, I don't like to throw anything out and I love lowers. More than tops, I think I love like dressing up the lower part of my body. Even if I go shopping, I always gravitate towards shorts and skirts and pants. Drawer also has night suits, ghar ke jhalle kapde. Oh my god. I'm going to separate it into short skirts, midi skirts and all my workout clothes and my night clothes. I literally have things from when I went from Miss India. Like these things will not fit me, but they're so pretty, I don't feel like throwing them out. This is one of my first outfit from scratch projects. This is actually a kapda that my mom bought to make a kurta. So before I went to Turkey, which is actually my first ever video, I got this thing stitched. I'm thinking I should do a garage sale and I think I'll keep it open for like all of my subscribers. Like it'll be a mini meet and greet. For clothes that don't fit me anymore, I'm making a separate pile and going to put them up in the storeroom. I just don't like throwing things away because YouTube kab kaam aa jaye, you never know. Oh, and this is my favorite skirt of all time. I think this is my best buy from Forever 21. Oh, this is a skirt I wore for my Cosmopolitan Blogger Awards day when I won the Best Blog Award. So midi skirts, shorts, workout pants. ऐसे तो workout clothes है मेरे पास जैसे मैं रोज workout करती हूँ. In college and school, I used to have so many shorts and now I just have longer skirts, midi skirts. Shit, I'm 24 guys. Oh no. But I feel like as I'm growing up, my style is also becoming slightly more elegant and more polished and mature, you know. I'm concentrating more on comfort. Holy shit. Guys, I'm so tired right now. This is my last drawer with all my sweaters and my sweatshirts. It's like a last dude. सच्ची यार, 10-25 साल से वो घर बना रहे हैं. So interestingly, when I pulled out all the messy stuff, I found folded piles. I used to be an ideal child. This has a bunch of like my college sweatshirts. They're really comfy. I wear them as my night suits now. From my school, which has all our names written at the back. I'm gonna divide them into college merch type sweatshirts versus like good sweaters and cardigans. Oh, this friend of mine gifted me the sweetest thing ever. It says Indian YouTuber and it has a QR code of my channel on the side. Because he knows how desperate I am for subscribers, so he put a friggin' QR code on my sleeve. Coolest sweatshirt ever. This is a Tokyo, Japan themed sweatshirt that I just got from H&M from the guys section. Oh, cat print sweatshirt, and on the hood there are actually cat ears. Sweaters, light sweaters and basics. Bye-bye. Okay, this seems pretty sorted already. Arranging them from thickest to thinnest, but also color coding them. So I'm starting with black. This is the coolest jacket I own. I got it in the US. It's actually from a vintage store and it actually belonged to a sheriff. I love denim jackets. I think if you don't have a good denim jacket, you should definitely get one. Because it goes with literally everything. I think I have some pretty sick denim jackets, okay? And the sickest of them all is this one because it has the YouTube logo on it. Bomber jacket, if you don't know, is basically jocks wali jacket hoti hai na, sporty types. Okay, so for jeans, I've organized them from tightest to most loose. I've gained some weight, so all of it's on my butt, so I'm wearing loose clothes right now. So for all of you office people who want to make your office clothes a little bit interesting, a cool way to do it is to use cropped formal pants. They don't look as informal as you think if you pair it with the right heels or the right shoes and the right shirt. I think we're good for now, guys. I'm so physically and mentally exhausted at this point, but pretty proud of myself. I still have my jewelry section and my other cupboard and my shoe cupboard left. So maybe I'll save that for another video and I'll see you soon. Bye!